The journey your medicine takes, from a lab all the way to your home, is one of the most complicated and, frankly, fragile supply chains on the entire planet. And when it breaks, the consequences can be absolutely devastating. So in this explainer, we're going to look at how a digital revolution is working to make that critical journey safer for all of us. Let's just start with a number that shows you exactly why this is so important. Get this, 1 million. According to the World Health Organization, that's the high-end estimate for the number of lives put at risk every single year just from counterfeit drugs. And look, this isn't just a financial problem or some knockoff handbag situation. This is a massive public health crisis. The stakes are, well, they're literally life and death.
So what is it that makes this whole system so vulnerable? In a word, complexity. To really get it, let's kind of walk through the 5 key stages of this life or death journey. Okay, so it all kicks off in the R&D lab, right? Then it moves to manufacturing, and from there it travels through a massive global distribution network. Next, it's dispensed at your local pharmacy or hospital before finally it reaches you, the patient. And here's the kicker. Every single one of those handoffs is a point where things can go wrong.
And when this chain does break, the fallout is huge. Let's start with a pretty staggering financial cost. So, putting aside the devastating human cost for just a second, these sophisticated criminal groups are draining about $40 billion a year from the industry with fake drugs. I mean, that's a huge hit that affects everything, from R&D for new drugs all the way to what you pay at the counter. But, it's not just about criminals. Just keeping the product safe is a monumental challenge. I mean, think back to the COVID-19 vaccines, right? They had to be kept at an insane -70 degrees Celsius. Just one little temperature spike anywhere along that incredibly long journey, and boom, a whole shipment could be totally useless. And then, of course, you've got shortages. This happens when the chain just can't keep up or predict what's needed, and vital medicines just don't arrive. And that forces doctors into making these absolutely impossible choices about who gets a life-saving treatment and who has to wait.
Okay, so the old way of doing things, it's pretty obvious it's just too fragile. But the good news is there's a digital revolution happening right now, and it's basically writing a whole new prescription for how to do this safely and reliably.
And this image here, it just perfectly captures that massive shift. See, the old way, that's on the left, was all reactive. We're talking paper logs, manual data entry, and basically just fixing problems after they already happened. The new digital model, though, it's completely proactive. It's all about real-time tracking and using data to see problems coming and stop them in their tracks.
And this quote, man, it just hits the nail on the head. Given what's at stake, making this change isn't just a smart business move anymore. It's a moral imperative, a responsibility.
All right, so this digital toolkit, what's actually in it? Let's break down the tech that's being used as the cure for these problems. Okay, first big problem, counterfeits. I mean, how in the world do you track billions of little bottles of medicine crisscrossing the globe to make sure every single one is the real deal? Well, it's basically a 2-step answer. First, you've got something called serialization. Think of it like giving every single bottle its own unique digital passport. And then step 2 is aggregation. This is where you create a kind of digital family tree. You link that one bottle to the case it's in, and then link that case to the pallet it's on, so now you've got this amazing traceable link all the way from a huge shipment down to one single item. Now that digital family tree is then locked down using blockchain technology. If you're not familiar, just think of blockchain as a kind of digital notary that creates a permanent record of every step of the journey. Everyone involved can see that record, but the key is, because it's tamper-proof, nobody can go in and secretly change the history. What you get is a totally transparent and basically unbreakable chain of trust. All right, next up, how do we deal with product spoilage? So the old school way was totally reactive, right? You'd have a paper log and you'd find out a shipment got too warm way after the medicine was already ruined. The new way? Completely proactive. It uses what are called Internet of Things, or IoT, sensors. These are tiny little devices that are constantly monitoring things like temperature in real time. The second something's off, bam, they send an alert so someone can actually do something about it. And the results, they're huge. Companies that have put this real-time monitoring in place have seen product loss from temperature screw-ups drop by 75% or even more. I mean, that's a crazy amount of waste just gone. And it means the medicine that gets to patients actually works. And finally, the big one, drug shortages. How do we fix that? The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. See, AI can chew through these massive, complicated data sets that no human team ever could. We're talking electronic health records, weather patterns, even what people are saying on social media, all to predict demand way more accurately.
Just to put that into perspective, your typical forecasting methods, they can be wrong by as much as 60%. That's a huge margin of error. But AI-driven forecasting, it can cut those errors down by 20, even up to 50%. And that is the absolute key to making sure the right medicine is in the right pharmacy at the exact moment a patient needs it.
Okay, so we've talked about a lot of cool tech: AI, IoT, blockchain. But what does it all really mean for you, for the patient? What's the real-world payoff here? Well, the payoff is actually incredibly direct. It means you can be sure the medicine you're taking is the real thing. It means your prescription is way more likely to actually be in stock when you go to pick it up. It guarantees that sensitive drugs, the ones that need to be kept cold, haven't been ruined on their way to you. And get this, it even helps speed up the whole process of getting brand new life-saving drugs to the people who need them. At the end of the day, it's about building a system that you can actually, truly trust.
So that kind of leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Think about it. We put so much trust in the incredible science that goes into our medicine. What if the journey it takes to get to us was just as safe and just as transparent? Well, thanks to all this tech, that's not some sci-fi dream. That's the future that's being built as we speak.